Welcome to another progress report for the Foundation. So this week I don't have a lot of updates necessarily to show you because a lot of my focus this week has been trying to debug, clean up, polish, and get everything ready for this tech demo that's coming out very soon. So a little bit of work was done on updating some gameplay elements and starting to build some things in, but not a whole lot. Most of it has been polishing everything. So first of all, I've connected up the main menu screen. You may have seen this on an image before. It's going to look a lot better eventually. This is not really even remotely like what I'm planning on doing for the main menu screen, but it's good enough for these purposes, and this will probably be what it looks like for the tech demo. Although I'm not certain that I will have saving and loading in for the tech demo. It's not very important for the tech demo anyway. I click on new game, boom, we load up into the game. And I mean, you can probably already see I've been doing some cleanup, trying to make things look nicer. I've actually reworded this text a little bit to be a little bit of a better introduction. Still a lot of changes I need to make. So a lot of the old menus that were here before have gotten a newer coat of paint to look just a little bit shinier. I've been rather fast going through this because a lot of these screens are going to change dramatically when I rework them. And so it's probably not worth completely cleaning up every single screen yet until I have a better idea of what they're going to look like. So when we revisit these screens, they'll end up looking a lot better, but for now, just a little bit of polish to make them not so drastically different from the other screens. So, I mean, this one I just stretched out so it actually fit correctly. The ethics screen actually got a lot of reworking because this screen's a lot closer to what I want it to be, and for one thing I realized that I can make this a lot better looking and fit a lot more information in if I went to the same tab system that I did for the external affairs. So I've added in a tab system, so here's the committee area that we've seen before. But yeah, you'll also notice that I've done some work changing the way the icons are. Now, you may think, well look, that's just kind of stupid, that tab floating in the middle. I decided to focus on code this week rather than making all the images right, so I will be removing the tab and putting them as just themselves floating inside of these buttons here. I feel this will better use the screen real estate, and it'll look better in the long run, I believe. Over here, I did a little bit of cleaning up to make this look better, but again, since this area is going to change dramatically, I didn't put a lot of work into it yet. And I've done a lot of cleaning up on external affairs because it was a lot closer to what it needed to be. And so it looks a lot shinier now, a lot cleaner, a lot crisper. I've changed the way I render text, and so the text should come out a lot better and clearer now. Also, for now, I've put in a little scroll area for the description so that there can be any size of description. However, upon thinking about this, I don't think the description will end up here in the long run. It will probably end up in the encyclopedia / codex / whatever you want to call it area that I actually have an icon for right here. And those descriptions will be in there and describing all the various things you find and giving a lot of flavor inside that that codex that will be in game. And so, I mean, after a while this is wasted space having this description sitting here, so I'll probably move the stats out of a tab down here and put all the stats where the description is, and the description will be in the encyclopedia. But for now, this is good enough for the tech demo. Just trying to give you an idea of my plans that are going forward. So a lot of things got cleaned up there. As far as the base view goes, there was a little bit of cleanup in here just to fit kind of the way things are supposed to look, but again, some of the things that are going to change a lot, I'm not putting in a lot of work into. at least right now, and this screen has a lot of bugs on it right now. Still got to do some work there. However, one thing that's interesting to note is that I have done a lot of work on getting rid of bugs for the actual base building section, and I wanted to see what you thought here. Oh, also, I've changed the way the camera works. It's more freeform and rotating. Scroll wheel brings you closer and farther away, although it's really slow right now. I need to speed it up. Also, I changed the way the walls are so that they're flush with the ground level. Oh yeah, I need to switch back, so... Well, actually, I'll just build a bigger room here. So as you can see, they are flush with the wall there, and I think that ends up looking a bit better. And here in containment, I've managed to build several different possible rooms that can be built. They'll need to be rotated eventually, but I think this will, some of these small prefabs, and I hope to have some more and maybe some more detailed ones by the time the tech demo releases, but it's not a priority. I really just want to make it so that people can play with it and get a feel for it. Plus, I suspect there will be a lot of bugs in the tech demo, and so as I finish bugs, I can add in little features and things, and so during this first tech demo phase, there will be a rapid series of updates to fix bugs and to add little bits of features in so that we can get a good cycle of feedback going. And then once that's done, I won't release another demo for a while so that I can get some significant features built so that, again, there can be a good cycle of feedback. So yeah, let me know what you think about that new look, if that's better. I think it looks a lot better than having that lip of the wall sticking out. But let me know what you think there. So I'm excited because now we have rooms and walls and areas built up. So the base builder is again looking even better, and I like that. So that's exciting, for me at least. And the deleting, I believe... Oh, yep, still don't have rooms deleting. Deletes everything else though. Oh, and there's another bug. So yeah, I'm trying to get all the bugs deleted so that, or all the bugs gone for the tech demo. So that's what my main focus has been, is this testing and trying to make sure that every little piece works as well as I can. I know you're going to find a million bugs like this that I didn't think about. But hopefully I can get rid of a few other bugs that at least I can find by myself so that you don't have to report all those as well. So yeah, look forward to that. I'm making really good progress right now towards releasing the tech demo, and I suspect that next week I can probably give you a hard date on when the tech demo will be released. And I'm very confident it will be within May. I don't think that it'll be in April. We're running out of April anyway. But it'll probably be within the first half of May, I think, because the progress is coming along really good on this cleanup. So, as long as I don't find any crazy bugs, it should be exciting. We should get a release soon. So, and one last thing, just to emphasize again, this is not an alpha. It's not going to be a game. It's a bunch of concepts put together so that you can play with those things and see if it's going in the right direction. It's definitely not going to be a full game, and I kind of doubt it'll be fun, even though I find digging and excavating in here quite a bit of fun. I just don't think that everyone else is going to feel the same way. So I don't think it'll be very fun, so make sure you're not expecting this to be a full-blown game when I put it out. It's just a tech demo, and I am not claiming it as anything more than that. But yeah, give it a try, and when it comes out, and let me know what you think. And I should have a date for you on when it's going to come out next week. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.